They're all set and ready to race. This is race number one. And they're off. Early lead is taken by Flores. Julius Wonder on the outside. Ha by the rail. Plytasus. Perfect choice moving up in between horses. Diamond Dane and Gorgeous Queen is bringing up the rear. And nearing the fat turn, it's Flores in the lead. It's Flores followed by in second. And Perfect choice by the rail. Plytasus. And moving up on the farther outside is Gorgeous Queen. Rounding the fat turn, Flores by a length and a half, followed by in second. Moving up on the outside is Gorgeous Queen. On the farther outside now, moving up is Diamond Dane, Julius Wonder, Plytasus. And into the home stretch, the lead is taken over now by and by the rail is Flores on the outside, Gorgeous Queen, and Diamond Dane on the farther outside, Julius Wonder. In the lead, followed by Gorgeous Queen, Diamond Dane, and Flores by the rail, Julius Wonder. But it's still and moving up on the outside, Diamond Dane, by the rail, Diamond Dane, Julius Wonder on the farther outside. And finally at the payoff line, it's Diamond Dane, Julius Wonder, Gorgeous Queen.